Good morning, friends. Happy day to all of you. So, friends, it is finally happening. The next batch of stimulus relief checks have just been approved. $750 bonus payments are available right now, and millions of Americans are eligible to receive this additional financial aid. U.S. states and cities are also pushing for monthly inflation relief checks. My dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn if your state or city is providing extra stimulus money. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaways.
That spends $280 billion we don't have. We are not burning our savings here. We are borrowing $280 billion to do this. This is why the American people hate Congress. They see politicians stand up in their neighborhoods and pledge to fight the waste in Washington, then watch as those same politicians become the very problem they vowed to fix. It's disgusting, and it's happening up here all the time. So let's talk about this bill that we are set to vote on this week. Democrats and some Republicans will suggest that it will help combat the threats we face from Beijing. There's just one problem. This bill doesn't help us combat Communist China at all. On Monday of last week, this bill cost $76 billion and was 73 pages long.
Many Americans have never stopped working during the crisis, and the Connecticut office of the state comptroller is now saying thank you to those essential workers. They have set aside $30 million for the premium pay program. Frontline workers could receive up to $1,000. This relief is for private sector employees only, not federal, state, or municipal workers. There are specific requirements that people need to meet in order to apply. For example, to be eligible, residents must have been employed as an essential worker in Connecticut from March 10, 2020 and May 7, 2022. You must also have earned $149,999 or less. The applications are available for the public right now, but the deadline is not until October 1st, 2022. The comptroller stresses the money will not be given on a first-come, first-served basis. State officials have told reporters, "We want to make sure that everyone is getting the same treatment and payments are going out and adjusted as needed." They have a total of $30 million to dish out, and it will be distributed later this year. $1,000 checks are for those who make less than $100,000 per year. $500 checks are for part-time workers. Around 200,000 families in the Northeast will also receive cash payments this month, and that's thanks to a state stimulus efforts. Connecticut approved child tax credits of $250 per child in a household, with a maximum credit of $750. The state stopped accepting applications on July 31st and plans to begin sending out payments in late August. Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont's office announced that about 240,000 families applied ahead of the July 31st deadline. Meanwhile, the governor of Rhode Island announced families will be able to receive $250 per child, up to $750 in a statewide tax rebate. However, households there must file an income tax return by October 31st to receive the cash on time. About 115,000 families across the state of Rhode Island are expected to receive this benefit, and payments should go out in October. Friends, the keyword for this video is Newport, Rhode Island. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Newport, Rhode Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. After steadily increasing for months, the price of gas has made something of a U-turn, just weeks after reaching a high of more than $5 in mid-June. But the national average is still well above what it was before the crisis, and many lawmakers are looking for ways to provide relief at the pump. One proposal is a federal gas stimulus check that would give eligible Americans $100 a month through the end of this year, or for as long as the price of gas exceeds $4 a gallon. U.S. Representatives Lauren Underwood, Mike Thompson, and John Larson have proposed the idea with their Gas Rebate Act of 2022. The measure would send eligible Americans $100 for every remaining month in 2022 that gasoline continues to average more than $4 a gallon. Those with dependents would receive an additional $100. Currently, the average price for a gallon of gas nationally is $4.85. Under this Gas Rebate Act of 2022, individuals earning less than $75,000 a year would get the full $100. Individuals earning over $80,000 would not be eligible for the rebate. Joint filers earning less than $150,000 would receive the full $100, while those earning $160,000 or more would not be eligible. However, the proposal remains stalled in the U.S. House, mainly because of pushback from Republican lawmakers. Other states and cities across the U.S. have floated gas tax rebates of their own, most notably California, where the average gas prices are nearly $6.30 a gallon. The proposed California budget calls for a gas tax rebate as high as $1,050 per eligible household. The state of North Carolina is also considering some form of gas stimulus, while the city of Chicago has already started issuing some of the 50,000 prepaid $150 gas cards and 100,000 prepaid $50 transit cards approved by the city council. Well, my amazing and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, friends, for joining me here every single day. To say thank you, I give away 4 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaway by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed morning.